Panibagong araw, panibagong project na naman.
Today, I'll show you how to remove the background using the pen tool. First, open your photo sa Photoshop. Duplicate mo muna ang photo para in case magkamali, nandyan pa rin ang original file mo. Then, select the pen tool. Tapos, start tracing around your subject. Medyo time-consuming siya sa una, pero satisfying ang result. If ever man lumagpas ang line mo, press Alt at click ang point sa line. Once matrace mo na lahat, right-click lang ang mouse and then select Make a Selection. Adjust ang feather around 2 to 5 points. Then, click Ctrl-J to duplicate your subject. Save mo na siya as PNG at pwede mo nang magamit with different backgrounds.